Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today, we're going to show you how to get rid of Control Center Dot on iPhone. If you find the dot distracting or unnecessary, these steps will help you disable it. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you'll find all the controls for customizing your device. Step 2. Tap on Accessibility. This section is designed to help you adjust your iPhone's settings to better suit your needs. Step 3. Scroll down and select Touch under the Physical and Motor section. This is where you'll find settings related to touch interactions on your iPhone. Step 4. Toggle off the Assistive Touch option. This will disable the Control Center Dot, also known as the Assistive Touch button, from appearing on your screen. And that's it. The Control Center Dot will no longer appear on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more tips and tutorials.